Mobile wallets have made life easier, but with convenience comes the question of security. If you rely on GrabPay for your daily transactions, how safe is your money and your data? The short answer is very secure. GrabPay uses a multi-layered approach to protect you, starting with industry-leading compliance. Your payment data is protected by PCI DSS Level 1 compliance, which is the most stringent global security standard for the payments industry. Your personal information is encrypted, and your funds are held in segregated accounts with global banking partners, meaning your money is safe even in an unlikely event of a security breach. The platform employs a powerful, 24/7 fraud detection engine powered by AI. This system constantly monitors your account, analyzing transaction patterns and making millions of real-time risk decisions daily to detect and block unauthorized activity before it can cause damage. On your end, GrabPay encourages and often requires two essential layers of defense: two-factor authentication, 2FA. This is primarily your 6-digit Grab PIN, which you should never share. For added security, you can enable biometric authentication using your phone's Face ID or fingerprint scan to access your wallet and authorize payments. GrabPay is also regulated by central banks in the Southeast Asian countries where it operates, such as Bank Negara Malaysia and the Monetary Authority of Singapore, ensuring its practices adhere to local financial regulations. The most important step for you, the user, is to remain vigilant. Never share your Grab PIN or a one-time password, OTP, with anyone, even if they claim to be from Grab. With Grab's advanced technology and your personal caution, you can use GrabPay with confidence and peace of mind.